So most product managers lose hours waiting for design mockups just to validate a simple user flow. But today, we're shortening that circuit. I'm going to show you how to go from a blank page to a high-fidelity branded mobile prototype using Claude Design's capabilities in exactly 5 minutes. So let's go. So we're building a LinkedIn outreach feature. We're going to need three screens, a lead list, an AI message generator, and a confirmation screen. So I'm going to put in the prompt, and I want you to watch how Claude doesn't just give me code. It builds a live interactive artifact on the right side of the screen. Claude is also smart enough. It's asking me questions about the instructions I gave it. It's asking me, do I have a design kit or a UI kit to reference? The scope of the prototype, we're going to select just the 3 screens for now. The frame and device, we're going to say iOS mobile frame. Let's keep it modern transitional. And let's do deep navy seal blues. We'll leave the 3D tilt because I'm not exactly sure what that means. Let's give it smooth and gentle, high dampening, default AI message, warm and conversational. I'm okay with 4 leads on the lead list screen. Let's say we'll do the accent blue hue should be tweakable for now. 1 polish direction. And let's have the visuals be balanced. So let's see what that brings up. So as you can see, it generated the screen compatible with the iOS system as we asked. We can go ahead and click on a card and we see the LinkedIn contact. We have the post edit references. We can select what kind of tone we want, whether we want something more direct, insightful, or very brief. But I like to stick with a warm tone. But the real wow moment, if I want this to match my personal brand, I can use the web capture tool to pull a design system directly from my digital portfolio, like say the one I built on Lovable. So Claude will analyze my colors, typography, and spacing so that the prototype looks like it belongs to me and not to a template. Okay, so this is what we do. We click on import, grab what element, and you take this and you drag it onto your bookmark bar. Excellent. Then you can go to the web portfolio, click on it, and highlight the elements that you want to pick to use in your portfolio. So I really like this element, and you notice that it grabbed the tail, and I'm going to say stop picking. As I have that, I'm going to copy it and paste it. And let's see what it does. Notice that the UI updated, the colors shifted from that generic blue to the ombre colors that we saw in my portfolio element that I highlighted. And the mobile screens are now visible. So we want to do one more thing. We want to give it that frontier design finish, and we want it to feel premium. So I'm going to ask Claude to add a subtle 3D hover effect to each of these message cards. So look at that. See that tilt? This whole thing took less time than it takes to open a Figma file. So if you're a PM, product manager, this is your new superpower for stakeholder alignment and rapid prototyping. And if you want the exact prompts I use to get this design system integration, I've dropped them in the description. Try this out on your next feature idea. And that's your short circuit for today. Subscribe for more ways to lead with AI.